Want to know how to download Dola AI on your laptop or your PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can simply open up Dola AI on your website or your web browser. Just simply type in dola.com and you should be there. And now, once you've opened it up, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile, and if you have not logged in, you should already be seeing download for Windows under Dola. And if not, you can just simply select your profile. Then right here you should be saying download for desktop app, so you can just simply select that right here. So once you have selected download for desktop app, your installer should open up just like this, and now you can just simply open up your installer. So once you've opened it up, you can just simply proceed with the exe file, download the wizard, and the Dola application should all be yours. You can just simply log in and use accordingly, just like you used in the browser. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.